Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Confluence to Cloud AI. To connect Confluence to Cloud AI, start by opening the Cloud AI website and making sure you are logged into your account, since connector features only appear for sign-in users. Once you're on the main dashboard, click the plus icon, then select Connectors and choose Add Connector to open the list of available integrations. In the search bar, type Confluence, and when it appears as an option alongside Jira integration tools, click the plus or connect button to begin the setup process. A new authentication tab will open where you need to sign into your Confluence account and approve access permissions so Cloud can connect to your workspace. If you encounter login or redirect issues, switching to a private or incognito browser window can help prevent sessions conflicts, after which you can repeat the same steps of selecting connectors and logging in. Once access is approved, the integration will be active, allowing Cloud to interact with Confluence content such as pages, documentation, and workspace data, depending on what permissions are granted. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.